Dr. Sumant, of course, it seems that recurrence of breast cancer occurs in 10 to 50% of cases. That figure is, of course, staggering. All right? So you're in the incredibly difficult position of helping patients cope with the fact that, all right, there is this fear that's always looming in the backdrop, and yet they need to continue to live their lives to the full extent. How does one possibly strike that balance?
So I think the initiation, Chavi ma'am has done a very beautiful discussion. First and foremost is when the patient has a disease. So that is the lightning kind of a thing. The lightning strikes. Why me? Why not anyone else? I have not done anything wrong. Whatever I have done, everyone else is doing.
Right.
So that is one of the first things. Going through the journey as a smart patient is something we as oncologists always welcome, and we are very happy to have our patients who go through whatever is being told with good discussions and like a democratic process. Yes, in breast cancer, there is a chance of recurrence. I think this time, the patient, it's like she said, Chavi 2.0. So it's a Chavi 2.0 living it. So she's not scared of the disease. She knows what is happening to her, what has happened to her. And if we talk about recurrence, yes, there is data that up to 25-30% patients in early breast cancer also can recur. But again, we have to understand there are two aspects of it. One is the disease biology itself, that what kind of breast cancer was it. You have different kinds of breast cancer, both on the luminal levels or on the levels of the estrogen, progesterone receptors, and lots of those things. And
right.
Yeah. And the second part is what I can do to stop it from coming back. So what is inherent, the doctor is taking care of it by giving beautiful medicines and whatever new innovations are happening. But what I can do. So as a survivor, or as I think the better word is Yodha, which you become in your 2.0, you have to be aware that the first 5 years are the only major crucial years when the disease tends to come back. So that is why in cancer we always talk about 5-year recurrence rates.
Right.
So after 5 years, you are mostly equivalent to a normal person, the chance of getting a cancer back. So I think what we have to do, and which has been scientifically proven, is that we have to follow 4 or 5 small dictums. One is controlling our weight and doing regular exercise, because the data is clearly showing that if your BMI is normal, if your body weight is normal, and if you are doing around 30 minutes of regular exercise per day, then your chances of getting a cancer coming back becomes less. Similarly, diet is something which has to be balanced, not too much binging on carbs, which has again been scientifically proven. And the third most important part is abstinence from alcohol and tobacco. So I think if we are able to manage that, so in totality it is nothing but the same thing which we always say, a healthy lifestyle. So if you're having a healthy lifestyle, I think we'll be able to cope up with it, and we'll have a beautiful 2.0 life with us.